Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting a vision board. Tap the plus and pick board to begin. Name the board with a clear intention, then set visibility so it's private or shared. Once done, choose a cover image that represents your goal. It keeps focus. Make sure idea pins are enabled so you can add short multimedia notes. Prepare 5-10 keywords and themes: health, career, travel, so search brings targeted results. Now go search. Save images as you find them. Now you curate. Search your prepared keywords, then filter by images or videos to match your mood. Save the best pins directly into sections. Create one for short-term goals, one for long-term, and one for mood inspiration. Once pins are saved, edit each description to include a one-sentence action or date. This turns visuals into plans. Use tags and emojis sparingly to group similar items. Make sure to reorder pins so the most motivating visuals sit at the top. Finish by refining. Review the board weekly and remove anything that no longer inspires you. Once polished, add final captions with deadlines and micro-tasks. These convert inspiration into action. If you want accountability, share the board with a trusted friend or collaborator, or export images to your device for a phone wallpaper. If something goes wrong, sync issues, missing pins, force close the app, check your network, clear the cache, and re-login. That usually fixes it, then keep creating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.